Hello, 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 everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Thursday. Today is our devotional Thursday. This is our devotional number 2, and I'm so excited that you are here. So let's see what devotional we have today from the Word of God. Our devotional today comes from Matthew chapter 11, verses 28 through 30. And it says, "Come to me, all of you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take up my yoke and learn from me, because I am lowly and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." Again, that's Matthew 11, 28 through 30. So I'd like to read this to you. In the day and age in which we live, we are either going to or coming from something. Many times, this something may not um, seem worthy of all the time and effort it takes in getting ready to go, but we go. Each day seems packed with more tasks and activities than there are hours in the day. How many of you can relate to that? Let us take time to look up from our incessant busyness and acknowledge His presence with songs of praise and thanksgiving. Christ will be faithful to pour into our hearts the strength and grace we need for the task at hand. Let us not be too busy to claim the promise that if we come to Him, burdened and weary, He will give us the rest our souls and hearts so deeply need. We, having been blessed and refreshed, can then make ourselves available to God as instruments to lighten the burdens of others. Um, I needed this devotional today because I have a really bad habit of getting so bogged down with all the busy things in life that sometimes I don't always put God first. And we need to remember that as long as we put Him first, then He is going to give us the desires of our heart, as long as those desires are in according to His will, and we He will answer our prayers. He will give us the desires of our hearts if we truly, truly are speaking to Him from the heart. And like I said, they're according to His will. Um, and He is going to provide us with everything we need. Now, sometimes we may get a no. We want something really, really badly, and the Lord just is not going to give that to us because He knows what we need better than we do. He still wants us to ask, but sometimes it just might be no because He knows that that's not what we need right now. And so I this was speaking a lot to me because I get so busy with things, and I think, oh, I'm never going to make it through the day. But if I give it all over to the Lord, He's going to take care of that for me. He's going to um, He's going to bless me, which He has done more than I will ever um, be able to be thankful for. I'm thankful every day for everything that He gives me. Um, and if it's such a wonderful thing to know that what God God promises these things to us. God does not lie. If He promises something, it's going to happen. And He promises that if we come to Him with the desires of our heart, and we also come to Him in our times of struggle. I've had to do that a lot lately, as you guys know. We come to Him in our times of struggle. Um, He's going to give us that peace. He's going to help us get through those struggles. He wants us to, we need to be thankful. We need to be prayerful and be thankful for everything that we have because every perfect, good, and perfect gift comes from the Lord. And so we need to be thankful for all of everything that we have gotten. And we need to thank God daily for that. But He also wants us to come to Him not just when things are good, not when things are going great, but He wants us to come to Him for every need. When things are going good, but especially when things aren't going so good, He wants us there because He loves us and He wants us to rely on Him. And if we do that, He's going to give us that rest. So, my prayer today is that you will be able to turn to the Lord and that you will be able to find peace in Him. So that is our devotional for today. I thank you so much, guys, and I ask that you will keep me in prayer today. I am heading back to my surgeon that did my knee replacement, and pray for safe travels for my husband and I. And I pray that I get a good report from my doctor and that he releases me to go ahead and start driving again. He releases me to go back to my normal activities, and that I could possibly have one more PT day on Friday, and then my PT will be over, and I'm gonna be able to do more here with the channel and things. And I'm just looking for a really good report. So I pray that you will help me to do that, to pray for that, and that all goes really, really well. And most of all, that Steve and I have safe travels to Nashville and back. So I hope you enjoyed this devotional, and I will see you tomorrow. I will see you Friday. Yep, tomorrow for Duck Duck Dishcloth. I can't wait to show you the dishcloth that I made over this past week. It's so cute. It turned out really good. And I'll let you know what the new dishcloth is for the next week. So, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for your support and for being here for me through this really hard time that I've had. And yeah, I've got some good ideas for the channel, and I think things are gonna start turning upward. Um, and I hope that you've gleaned something from this devotional today. Take care. I love each and every one of you. God bless you, and you are all in my prayers. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.